Hey guys, how's it going? Back again with the 135. Today's just a quick video on how to reset this right here to fix this sunroof problem. So as you can see, this is the close position and it's not really flush with the roof, and obviously water can get in here and it just looks really weird. So there's a way to fix this. It could be something major. But most of the time it is just you just have to reset it. So this is how you reset it. So we were in the car. You're gonna want to obviously get the key, turn the car on. Then let's turn the car on. You're gonna press the vent one and hold it there. And it should be a good 30 seconds, I want to say. It should start opening and closing by itself, just like that. As you can see, there it goes. I'm still holding it down. Still holding it down. And we're just gonna hold it down for a few more seconds just in case. But usually that does it already. And now when we go out, I believe, and there it is. It is flush again. And that's how you fix it. That's pretty much it. Like I said, a quick video. Thanks for watching. Need any more 135i and 54 content, subscribe. But yeah, thanks for watching.